Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic conjunctions, coordinating, subordinating from the English grammar. It is a small story. Dash, it is very interesting. Choose the suitable conjunctions. Answer yet. I came early. Dash, I got a seat. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer so. I don't like these bangles. Dash, they are too expensive. Identify the correct option to fill in the blank. Answer besides. Dolphins look like fish. Dash, they are not fish. Choose the correct word to fill up the blank. Answer but. There is fog at the airport. The plane has been diverted. Select the correct word to combine the above sentence. Answer therefore. Identify the subordinate conjunction. Answer as. The following conjunctions indicate time except. Answer either or. She is poor, dash honest. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer but. My father will come to India today, dash tomorrow. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer or. Choose the conjunction that can be used to write a complex sentence. Answer because. Rani is a good girl. Dash everyone likes to make friends with her. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer so. Identify the set of all contrasting connectors. Answer on the contrary, as a result, furthermore. Which is not the correct usage of conjunction. Answer conjunction nothing else should be followed by than. Identify the coordinate conjunction. Answer otherwise. Identify the correlative conjunction. Answer both and. Identify the conjunction that indicates condition. Answer unless. Ramesh is slow, dash sure. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer but. Wait, dash he returns. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer till. Dash you start now. You won't catch the bus. Choose a suitable conjunction. Answer so. Look, dash you leap. Choose a suitable conjunction. Answer before. He is richer dash am. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer then. You will pass dash you work hard. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer if. Dash I was younger, I thought so. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer when. He is dash and intelligent dash a fool. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer neither nor. She did not succeed dash she worked hard. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer though. He sells bananas dash papayas. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer and. Dash Ramu dash Jyoti has done it. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer either or. He knows why I scolded him. The conjunction is dash. Answer why. Tell me where you kept the book. The conjunction is dash. Answer where. Unless you work hard, you will fail. The conjunction is dash. Answer unless. They decided to start. It was late. The conjunction is dash. Answer though. Dash conjunctions are used in pairs. Answer correlative conjunctions. A dash conjunctions joins a class to another on which it depends for its full meaning. Answer subordinating. Identify the sentence with a subordinating conjunctions. Answer he sat down because he was tired. My friend and I will attend the meeting. This sentence has a dash. Answer: subordinating conjunction. Let us wait until the rain stops. This sentence has a dash. Answer: subordinating conjunction. He is wiser than I am. Then in the sentence he is used as dash. Answer: conjunction. I would rather be an engineer dash a doctor. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: then. When they found the man who had been lost for 4 days, he was dash tired dash hungry. Choose the suitable conjunctions. Answer: not only but also. The student didn't know dash to choose arts or science. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: whether. There is an entrance exam for me tomorrow. Dash I feel a little nervous. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: so. He ran fast. Dash he missed the bus. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: but. Don't move dash I order. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: till. Dash she was industrious. I encouraged her. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: though. They held me dash I should fall. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: lest. You may go dash I will stay. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: but. Ramesh could dash read dash write. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: neither nor. Radha is dash foolish dash obstinate. Choose the suitable conjunction. Answer: not only but also. I should read he comes. The conjunction is answer: before. Identify the sentences that has no conjunction in it. Answer: I haven't seen him since Sunday. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.